There's been a huge amount of talk both within Maritime New Zealand and out in the industry about moss, so we thought what better time than now to go out and get some thoughts from those it affects the most.
I think the transition into moss is actually going to fit pretty well with a system, health and safety system within DOC that already exists. If you've got an organisation with a good health and safety culture, then transition into moss should be easy.
It's making you more accountable and getting more people involved, your crew more involved. It's no use just one person. No, if I die and it all goes with me, it's better for you if I employ you to know as much as possible about what I'm doing, or the hazards and everything else, and everybody else in your crew. If they want to upskill themselves, and that's not my secret, it's actually everybody's to join in.
Well, the main change is for safety for themselves, and just to cover them, make sure all their qualifications are up to date. All right, so they're certified to act in their positions. Also that the operators are responsible for their crew and making sure they do have the right certificates. That covers them all, and getting everyone involved in safety on board and hazards. And so they're keeping themselves safe, the vessel safe, and the cargo safe, which is the main thing, what it's all about.
It's been good having the industry input, and you can see a lot of that industry input reflected in some of the changes that have come out since the original documents were sort of tabled. So it's been quite good, and in my time in the industry I don't think I've ever seen the industry have input into a new system like that.
With the museum, to have the management take control more, that's so important. And before it was just, oh, the boats go out and the boats come back, and they didn't realise what they needed to do. They will, a lot more now.
I see bringing the parties, the industry and Maritime New Zealand closer together is absolutely critical in any of these processes, just to build the level of trust and the information flow between the parties. To do that's helping the process. It's no doubt, and it's certainly something that probably should be looked at in the future.
It's going to make it a lot easier for people that have a number of vessels that they look after. So they had to do a certificate and everything for every vessel, audit for everyone. Now, they just have to do one at MTOP, all right, get it audited, and then it can relate to the rest of the vessel, and they don't need all the vessels auditing. So in fact, it's reducing costs for themselves, reducing costs for MNZ, and we'll make it a lot easier for them.
That's what all this is about, is actually just getting you to take responsibility and do it yourself, and involve your crew and everybody else. So it's a big plus, I reckon. It should be looking good for the future.
Now I think it'll be 12 months down the line, a lot of operators will be moving into moss fairly seamlessly.
So there you have it. Even though that was just a snapshot, thanks to a huge amount of hard work by people here at Maritime New Zealand, industry are telling us they're feeling pretty good about coming into moss and helping Maritime New Zealand continue with our goals of safe, secure and clean seas.